備好，集中精神，飛快，我要飛咁快。一個冠軍，41個輸家，要贏佢哋食菜都冇咁易啦。喂，食菜喂，講嘢有少少肚餓添啊，真係食翻少少嘢都好啊。唔得，要集中精神，集中精神。飛快，有咁快得咁快，快到冇影，快過閃電。
喂，閃電王得未啊？
得啦，閃電王麥坤準備好啦。
I'm American made, but like Chevrolet. My mama taught me wrong from right. I was born in the South. Sometimes I have a big mouth when I see something that I don't like. I gotta say it. We've been driving this road for a mighty long time, paying no mind to the signs. Well, this neighborhood's changed, it's all been rearranged. We left that team somewhere behind.
我閃。
Slow down, we're gonna crash. Radio is screaming, it's a blast, blast, blast. Look out, baby, get your blinders on. Everybody's looking for a way to get real gone, real gone. There's a new cat in town, he's got high-paid friends. Thinks he's gonna change history. You think you know him so well, yeah, you think he's so swell, but it's just the belt you're waiting for to see. Come on now. Slow down. Crash. Radio is screaming, it's a blast.
買啦，食啦，好買翻過啦！
Look out, you got your blinders on. Everybody's looking for a way.
閃電王最勁，有眼光！
Real gone. Real gone. Real gone.
歡迎繼續收睇水學公司400賽事，我係阿卜啊，呢個係我拍檔阿達。喂，今日呢場歷史性嘅賽事正在進行得如火如荼喎。
係啊，卜，我簡直有墨沸騰啊！賽事再緊張啲咧，真係要拖我出直播室至得啦。
我係講得冇錯啊，大佬。參加喺賽季積分榜同分嘅車咧，都有份參加呢場最後嘅賽事嘅。咁勝出嘅咧就會贏到冠軍寶座同埋洲際杯。喂，你認為車王會唔會喺退役前贏翻仗咧嚇？
嗱，佢咧就係水學公司多年嚟嘅王牌嚟㗎，究竟可唔可以替佢贏埋洲際杯咧？
至於磁力霸斥咧嚇，亦都一路亦步亦趨守住個第2位嘅噃。
下車今年終於都輪到佢發圍啦，唔再俾車王威晒。但係細都估唔到啦，今年殺出咗呢一個閃電王麥坤。
真係唔聲嚇你一驚嚇！季初嗰陣佢都仲係寂寂無名啊！哇！而家搞到街知巷聞啊！
佢會唔會成為第一個贏洲際杯嘅新人呢？
冠軍誰屬係車王啦？斥啊，抑或係新車手咧？好快自有分曉。